Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove a text in an image using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that requires the removal of text. First, select the lasso tool to make a selection of the text on the image. Once you've made the selection, go to the Select menu in the menu bar and choose Color Range. Now, use the eyedropper tool to pick the color of the text, and if there are multiple colors, select the eyedropper tool icon with a plus sign and add the other colors as well. Once you've finished, click OK. Next, go to the Select menu in the menu bar, choose Modify, and select Expand. Enter the number by which you want to expand the selection according to your preferences, and then click OK. Now, go to the Edit menu on the menu bar and choose Fill. In the Contents drop-down, select Content Aware, and click OK. The text will be removed, and then press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Do the same for the rest of the texts on the image as well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.